Hello everyone, guess the remedy. A male patient with gallbladder cancer comes to me and he says he is very concerned about his duty towards his parents in their old age, and he really wants to serve them and take care of them. 2 years he took care of them and then they expired. Still, he is really concerned that did he fulfill his duties completely. And then he is very sensitive to see that nowadays young children do not respect their elders and they are not living with integrity, or they are not living the righteous way. For example, he said he was very profoundly affected by an event where in his shop a small boy came to purchase crayons, coloring crayons. The boy had a little bit less money, so he said, "It's okay, you take the crayons, you can pay me the rest of the money later on." Half an hour later, his mother comes with the crayon box and she starts arguing with me that the crayons that you gave were broken. In front of me, her own son is telling her that, "No mama, I broke the crayon." The mother tells the child, "You shut up," and she keeps arguing, yelling and shouting at me that how can you give my son a broken crayon box. In this situation, my main feeling was there is a lot of injustice being done to me. How can she do this to me? I cannot tolerate this. I have done no wrong, but still she is troubling me. I am feeling very bad. Without any fault of mine, I am being made to go through this. Which remedy has this feeling? Thank you.